This is my new keyboard, the one I now use every day and thoroughly enjoy, the YK75. Its main feature is that it's a mechanical keyboard with low-profile keys. Despite being mechanical, it's not noisy and the keys have a satisfying travel and smooth press. The keyboard looks absolutely stunning and is very comfortable to use while being budget-friendly. It works both wired and via Bluetooth. It's compatible with both Windows and macOS, and it even has black lighting. It's a great choice as your first mechanical keyboard and can easily replace the standard keyboard on your laptop. I believe this is one of the best keyboards for those who are just starting to explore mechanical keyboards.